Now I am at the hotel. I walk to the reception with my suitcase. In this video, I stay at a big hotel and have simple conversations. I check in, ask for help, and go to my room. You can learn easy English words and sentences at the hotel. Let's go to the reception together.
Hello, welcome to our hotel. How can I help you today?
Hello, I want to check in. I have a reservation for today.
Sure, may I have your name, please?
Yes, my name is Emma.
Thank you, Emma. May I see your passport or ID, please?
Of course. Here is my passport.
Thank you. Let me check your reservation. Yes, I see it here. You stay for 2 nights, is that correct?
Yes, that is correct.
Great. Your room is ready. You have a single room with a city view.
That sounds nice. What is my room number?
Your room number is 305. It is on the 3rd floor.
Okay, is breakfast included?
Yes, breakfast is included. It is from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m.
Thank you. How can I go to my room?
You can use the elevator on the right. When you get out, turn left and walk straight.
I understand. Do I need the key card for the elevator?
Yes, you need your key card. Here you are.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. If you need any help, please call the reception.
Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Enjoy your stay.
I leave the reception and walk to the elevator. The receptionist is very kind and helpful. The hotel is big, clean, and well organized. I like the atmosphere and I feel relaxed. Now I go to my room and enjoy my stay. I am in the elevator now. I press the button for the 3rd floor. I go to my room. Wow, this view is really beautiful. I feel calm when I look at the sea. This place feels peaceful and warm. The hotel feels comfortable and the people are kind. I'm happy to be here and I feel ready to relax. Thank you for watching this video. You can learn easy English at the hotel with me. See you in the next video.